I want a politician who will focus on housing, not on some virtue signalling measure to put housing into the constitution that'll do nothing to solve the problem. The same with fixing our water infrastructure. I'm not interested in people who are saying, I want to put public ownership in the constitution. How are you going to fix the water supply? I want our foreign policy to be dictated by what is in Ireland's best interest and what's the right thing to do.
So you want pragmatism over performance.
Just a couple more things. Not on what plays well with social media. Now, sometimes they may coincide, but we shouldn't be guided by that. I want politicians who will invest in sport and in sporting facilities, not who'll do photo ops showing them in their running gear. I cannot stand that kind of politics. I think it's performative. I think I want policy, not personality. Maybe I'm being naive.
You want substance over style as opposed to the way around.
I want policy, not personality. And maybe I'm being naive, but I hope with the departure of Ardern and Trudeau, I hope we can see more of that.